Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can backdoor a program using MSF encode and MSF payload, and basically what it does is that when the program is run, it will run the payload that you have specified as well. In the encode there's various encoders in the Metasploit framework. These are the ones that I have listed here. What you can do if you want to have a check out is you can put in MSF encode and then -L, which is for list, I'm guessing, this is the list of framework encoders here. Most people use this one, and this is what the one we're going to be using today, polymorphic XOR additive feedback encoder. Although I have used the countdown one and it's perfectly fine, but this one is quite good. Most people use it and most tutorials use it. I'm going to say now that Offensive Tutorials have done great work with tutorials. That this is based off one of their tutorials. I'm going to link in the description down below. Basically, many people don't credit them. They just bring them various security blogs, just change a few things. I do give credit. These guys have taught me many things and are a very good resource if you want to check them out. They've got various resources to look at. So yeah, they're great at documenting various parts of Metasploit. So first what we're going to do is we're going to have to create a listener for Metasploit so that when it comes back to us, comes back home, we've got something to say, hey, yeah, we want that stuff. Set payload. And that's Windows Interpreter. Just remember to type that right. Reverse TCP. Easy payload, nothing really too hard about this payload. You should know about this. Yeah, I think it is this. Actually, at 168. It has changed since the last time I did this, so I'm not fully 197.130. Oh, my bad. It is that. Okay. Getting a bit confused. 197.130. And then we're going to set the local port at 123 today. Okay, and then we're going to just exploit. That's basically just going to stay there listening. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have the payload created. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put in Windows Interpreter reverse TCP. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set the variables that we had. Oh my god, I can't even remember anymore. This is terrible. IF config 197.130. Thank you. 130, and then the local port is going to be 123. And we're going to have the R, and then we're going to put this. You should know the character. I don't know what, just a line. I don't know how to exactly describe it. We're going to put in MSF encode. Then we're going to specify what encoder that we want. We want x86. We want the Shikata. I don't know how to say it, to be honest. How many times do we want it to be encoded? I'm just going to say 1. We want it as an exe. The important thing here is that you can actually have a template, and there is a template directory in Metasploit if I go to it. And what the template does is it takes it from well, there's what I made. This is a little bit, and we have to recreate that. But what I did is what it does is it looks at it, it adds on the code from that program, and it's quite dynamic. Metasploit opt, Metasploit apps, pro, MS3 you want to go to, and then you will want to go to data, I believe. Am I right in saying that? Yes, templates, and then putty.exe. I've got there an explorer.exe. And that's where you can drop your exe if you want to leave that as a template for if you're going to be doing it a lot. And what you can just do then is just put in putty.exe, just like that. And then the output we're going to have as putty backdoor.exe, as I already have another one there. And what that will do is that will just take a few minutes to generate basically, and then you'll have it on your Kali machine. So when it's done, it'll finish and it'll basically come up with succeeded with size 317 or whatever it is. So now that it's made it and I've transferred it over, let's go see the process. This is the file here, putty backdoor. It's got the same icon and it's got the same details as it would. I think it changes the creation date if I'm correct. Yes, it does. But it has the version and the product name and all that cool stuff there. And if we put it in putty now, process explorer, we can see it picks up here. Here it goes. We can see that the session has opened already, and if we get UID, get system, get UID, and we're there. So that's basically how you can backdoor. I'm pretty sure there's an option where you can show the GUI, or maybe I fucked up somewhere. But anyway, that's how you can backdoor with a program looking like that. It has all of the code from putty. I believe it has just been encoded with some payloads. That is the tutorial for today, and I'll see you guys next time.